This is Zichru Daf Simanim Gemara Sanhedrin Daf Tes, and Daf Tes, of course, is going to be Tes is tea, tea. So what do we have? We have someone over here sipping a tea. As you're going to notice, he knocks over the teapot. He's quite startled, which we'll talk about in a moment. So the guy's sipping a tea, and he's remembering what he saw earlier. What did he see earlier? He saw someone commit a crime, but he saw it together with his brother. But luckily, he did not give asra. As you see over here, the brother and another person gave asra not to shoot. He did not give asra. So in as much as he's puzzled le'edus because he's brothers with someone else who saw, for the fact that he did not give asra, he will not become disqualified. Point number 2 is we have over here Edi Av, Edi Abal, testifying about the husband of Maitzi Shemra, and they're passing, you're going to be chayav both mamain and death penalty due to the hazama and the next hazama. And finally, we're going to have that someone giving eidos that he says he and I didn't have Avera. And that's what startled this guy drinking tea, someone telling about the crime that they committed. So when saying they didn't have Avera with another man. So this guy drinking tea is number one, remembering that he saw someone commit a crime, but he didn't give asra. He saw someone shoot someone, he didn't give asra, so he won't pass other eidos. He's so startled when he hears someone say that he committed a crime with another man. And the fact that the Edi Av, Edi Abal were convicted both of being Zaymim in the double Azamar, Gemichai, Misa, and Mamain. So we go a little bit deeper. Taftas, again, this is all about tea. Point number 1 is, as the guy's drinking his tea, he witnesses a murder, and one of them is Karva Apostle. Says Ravina, what does it mean? The Dayanim Moitzi Shamrash, and Nimsa Echmem Karva Apostle. And that's going to be the same machlekes Rabbi Yossi and Rabbi about Rabbi Kiva. Rabbi Kiva says 2 edim to 3 to teach, and if just 2 are found to be ineligible, the testimony is no longer. But if there are 3, then it could work. Rabbi Yossi says it's only by din nefashis. Rabbi says no, also din imaminus. But when there's hasra, but he himself did not give hasra. The Mishnah says that because he didn't give asra, so he is not combined with them, and therefore the fact it's going to be dependent on their asra and not his. Point number 2 was Edim Zaymim Moitzi Shemra, that they found to be Zaymim. Not only are they killed, they also have to pay money. He says Rav Yosef, if a husband has Edim, his wife committed a crime, what's going to be the halacha? The crime would have caused the woman to be killed and lose her ksuba. And then Edi Abal Neragim Misham Mammon. If they are found to be a zama, zaymin, then this is death penalty, but not money. But if the next level, but if then they are found to be zaymin, then there's both, they get killed and have to pay. Point number 3 is, why was this guy drinking tea so startled? Because he heard someone saying that he committed a crime with another man. Startled! But the person that said he committed a crime, he's Adam Mesim Matzai Rasha. He's talking about against himself, Len Ravani Lainsai. The halacha is the are mitzaref to kill that person. The act of Mishkav Zachar, he was forced. He's going to be a kosher aid. But if he says Sinai, then it means he's making himself into Rasha. And Al Tash's Rasha aid says Rava no Adam Karvitz Asav Yedon Mitzatz Rasha. Therefore, we cannot believe his eidos with regard to himself. But the Chiddush says the Gemara Palginan Dibure, we believe his eidos for the other guy. So too in a case of someone testifying that the wife committed adultery, the testimony is believed that the adulterer, the one that was zana, will be killed, even though he cannot testify about his own wife. So in Daftes in Sanhedrin, it's all about tea. This guy is drinking tea, remembering that he saw someone kill someone, but he did not give us raw. So he does not combine with his brother to invalidate them. Point number 2 is the Azama, the double Azama, Ubichayim Misa and Mammon. And he's startled, he knocks over his tea. Why? Because he hears a person saying, Pliny Ravani Lainsai, he and another person didn't have Avera. So if it was Laratzain, then it's Adam Matzai Rasha. In Adam Matzai Rasha, you cannot convict yourself of a crime, and therefore we say Balginan Dibure Davtes Sanhedrin, the tea, startling the tea, Davtes in Sanhedrin.